Assalamu alaikum, good evening and namaskar to all the people present here and motivating us to work on our startups. Okay. So I am the CEO of Technia. Okay. So I've been running a edtech company for 8.5 years. What was the issue I found was when I was doing tier 2 people when they come to Bangalore, as they don't know English, we were trying to improve their English by having a soft skill status and all. But today, people's patience are going down. They don't want criticism. So we build an AI model where if a human says, okay, they are not able to take criticism, so we build an AI model which is gonna take interviews for them, and so that okay, if they are uncomfortable also, but still they can, as no human is watching them, they can start interacting with them. Later on, what we did is like instead of having a system-based model, we built a robot. Okay, so interact with the students. And can you please play the video? We had made this video playing with the kids. Okay, so our product is there. Okay, so this is playing rhymes for them. Okay, and dancing with the kids. So coming from an edtech company, we built the first robot for our edtech people, means for the kids. Okay, so it has features right now like it can play rhymes with you and dance with you. Along with that, it can take quiz. These are the two features which we have built right now, and it is doing that with the kids. Okay. So, please copy. Yeah. So this is what we built. Okay. So now, how we have built this? Okay. One is this is not a remote controlled robot because robot is a purely humanoid robot, works on voice. Okay. So you can talk to it and it can interact with you as a human, okay, as a kid. We are having a 2 feet robot also and 5.5 feet robot. 2 feet robot is basically made for this, and you are in a prototype type right now. And 5 feet robot is for the replacing this front desk jobs. Okay, so it is not going to replace front desk jobs. What it is going to do is, like we are talking about LLM model, OpenAI and all. So we have built a very small model where it can take up to 8 GB of data and can get trained on it, and only without any internet it can work autonomously without internet, and it can take the data. So if I want a front desk for my edtech company, so it only means I have a specific menu and specific FAQs which has to answer. So only so much of data I can train, and it works for only so much of data. If I want to increase, then 100% I can go with the APIs, go with the internet and connect it as like entire ChatGPT thing, and it can work with that also. So this is what we have built. And when we built it for ourselves, we thought, okay, why to keep it only for ourselves? Let us become India-based robotic manufacturing company where the entire design is built by us, entire software is built by us in India, and we can give more jobs in India and not just be the people, okay, who are serving the other countries. Okay, put our innovation here, put everything in India and build, and we have the 25% of the crowd, I feel. Because if 800 billion people, 180 Indian people are there. So we make the 25% of the world. So why not invest here in India and do it in India and improve the manufacturing units in India? So we thought like past 6 months, we registered a new company called Technia Solutions. Okay, before it was EdTech, now we have Technia Solutions, which is getting into robotic manufacturing. Okay, and once the prototype is done, we are looking for the more better models and we will improve the quality of it. Right now with movements and all, it gives 2.5 hours of backup. Without movements and all, if you make it, it gives 4 hours of backup. It runs on the thing and it can be trained on anything. We have built a software also in which you can go upload according to your customizable data. It learns and becomes your own robot, means for your front desk. So if I give it to a company, if they have their own specific PDF files or Excel, JSON format, whatever it is, upload it to it. It prepares the model. For that model, you can go and deploy to the robot, and robots, because you are customizable according to your data, a speaking thing. So that is what is about Technia. Thank you for having me here.
Thank you so much for such an amazing insight.